Welcome to Nice to See You, convenience store in Seoul, South Korea. Here are some key facts about the CU convenience store chain in Korea. CU is one of the largest convenience store chains in Korea, with over 15,000 stores nationwide. The company's slogan is CU, always with you, emphasizing its commitment to providing convenient services to customers. CU offers a wide range of products, including snacks, drinks, toiletries, household items, and more. In addition to traditional convenience store items, CU also offers a variety of fresh foods, such as sandwiches, salads, and sushi. CU stores in Korea are known for their clean and modern design, with bright lighting and organized shelves. Many CU stores in Korea have seating areas where customers can sit and eat their purchases. CU has a mobile app that allows customers to order and pay for items in advance, making the purchasing process even more convenient. Some CU stores in Korea also have self-checkout machines, which allow customers to scan and pay for items themselves. CU offers a loyalty program called CU on the Point, where customers can earn points for purchases and redeem them for discounts or free items. CU is committed to sustainability and has implemented eco-friendly practices in its stores, such as reducing plastic usage and using energy-efficient lighting.